I think many students have joined now. Today, by mistake, I have sent the same link in both the classes. That's why this chaos situation arises. So, are you able to see the presentation? Both the groups, please confirm.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So, this was last time we did KVL and KCL. So, today our learning is, this is today's lecture. This is lecture number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So, you can say this is lecture number 5. And today we are going to learn source transformation. This we are going to learn source transformation. Okay. What is the meaning of source transformation? The source transformation is basically we want to convert the source. Source transformation. There is a voltage source and current source. We have to convert voltage source to current source or current source to voltage source. So this is called as source transformation. Okay? Transfer the source, voltage to current and current to voltage source. Now, first condition is source transformation is possible only for practical voltage sources. Practical voltage sources and practical current sources. So whenever you want to have source transformation, please see to it that voltage sources and current sources are practical in nature. What is practical? This is a voltage source. This has a resistance in series. And this has a current source. This has the resistance in parallel. So these type of sources can be transformed. A given voltage source with a series resistance can be converted into a voltage current source and in parallel resistance. This voltage source, which is a resistance in series, this is a practical voltage source, is it? Now, do you understand the difference between ideal voltage source and practical voltage source? Ideal voltage source has no resistance in series and practical voltage source has the resistance in series. And practical current source. This is practical current source. Practical current source has a resistance in parallel. So this type of sources only can be converted. Conversely, a current source with the parallel resistance can be converted into voltage source with a series resistance. And this can be converted to this and this can be converted to this. Figure A and figure B, you can say. Now, let us use it. Source transformation. If we want to apply source transformation here, so can we, using source conversion, reduce the circuit in the figure into the single current source in parallel with the resistance? Now, can you apply your knowledge for this? ठीक है, I'll tell you some, थोड़ा सा डेरिवेशन करते हैं. Okay. I need to write some derivation. Okay, something I want to write. This is a voltage source, and this voltage source I want to convert into a current source. That's it. That is what you want. This voltage source, you want to convert this into current source. Say this is a voltage V and this is the resistance RV, resistance of the voltage source. And this is a current and this is resistance of the current source. Okay? So we have to convert these two. Say this point is A and this point is B and this point is A and this point is B. So what is the voltage between A and B? Or some resistance which can be connected between A and B, let us call it RL. Some resistance which is connected between A and B, let us call it RL. So is the diagram clear? A voltage source, practical voltage source, voltage and resistance, a practical current source, current and resistance. What is this current IL when you have this voltage source? Is it V upon RV plus RL? What about the current? This current, if I call this current as IL. What is IL? IL is equal to, there is a single loop. So this is voltage divided by resistance. What about the IL here? IL here, I taught you current division. You can apply current division rule. Current division rule. What is current division rule? What about this current IL? This current IL is equal to the current which you want to divide into another resistance divided by RA plus RL. See, this is a current in the resistance RL when we consider voltage source. And this is a current in RL when we consider current source. Basically, both the currents are similar. So we can say V upon RV plus RL is equal to I RA upon RA plus RL. Okay. If RA is equal to RV, we are saying if this resistance is equal to this resistance, same resistance. If it is 5, this is also 5. Then V is equal to I into RA, or I is equal to V upon RA. Please have a look at this small derivation. This is voltage source and this is current source. What is the current due to voltage source? This current. What is the current due to current source? This current तो same ही आ रही है ना resistance में. So both are similar. If you have RA is equal to RV, that means both the denominator will be same. RA is equal to RV. So we can cancel the denominator. So V is equal to IRA. Somebody has joined. Who's joining? ठीक है अभी इस पर ही आएगा because this has come. So V is equal to IRA and I is equal to V upon RA. That means if you want to convert this voltage source, तो इसका ये करंट कितनी होगी? What about this current? This current is equal to V upon RV. And what about this resistance? This one. I'll take this example. इसको हमें change करना है. I want to change this. This is 5 volt and this is 2 ohm. Okay. So what about this current? This current is 5 upon 2 and this is 2. This 2 will remain as it is. और ये 5 है, ये 2 है. What about the current? Voltage divided by resistance. So this is 5 upon 2. This is the conversion. That's what you have to remember, and this is called as source conversion. Okay, derivation नहीं आता है इसका. Only thing is you have to learn the technique how to convert. So now let us see this exercise. Please note down the exercise. भेजा है ना मैंने पूरे नोट्स, पूरा पीपीटी भी भेजे हैं. So you can note down your exercise from there. I'll just tell you. So how do you find? Use the source conversion, reduce the circuit shown in the figure into. Abhi I'm not going to give the formation. Who came? Now can you find the source conversion across A B? सबसे पहले देखो कहाँ पॉसिबल है. सबसे पहले कैन यू कन्वर्ट दिस वन, ये इसको करेंगे सबसे पहले कन्वर्ट. कैन यू कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू अ वोल्टेज सोर्स. दिस इज 3 एम्पियर एंड दिस इज 3 ओम रेजिस्टेंस. सो ये जो एरो हेड है ना, दिस एरो हेड इज पॉजिटिव पोलैरिटी. ठीक है. सो इज इट द वोल्टेज सोर्स? देखो, if I convert this into a voltage source, what about the voltage? 9 volt, 3 into 3 9 volt and this 3. इसको convert कर दिया, then this 3 will remain as it is, rest of the circuit will remain, this will remain as it is. Simultaneously, can you convert this one also? 2 and 6 when you convert, can you convert this 2 and 6 also? And this becomes, देखो ये कैसे आ जाएगा इसको कन्वर्ट करने के लिए. दिस इज ये जो कन्वर्जन है ना, ये लेफ्ट टू दिस इज. अच्छा ठीक है, एक सेकेंड. हाँ, इफ यू वांट ओनली इन सीरीज आई विल पुट इन सीरीज ओनली. ठीक है, मैं इसको सीरीज में लगा देती हूँ बिकॉज यू वांट इन सीरीज ओनली. You want to convert this one. इसका conversion होगा this 3 and this one. Is it? This one, 3 and 3 9 and 3. This one. Then this 3 will remain as it is. Then again this 6 and there is an arrow up, no? So up is this one and this becomes 6 into 2 to 12 volt. Then and this is 6, this one. Okay, now can you further simplify this one? अभी देखो ये हो गया ना, when I converted this into a voltage source and this into the voltage source. Now this 3 and this 3 can be taken as in series and this becomes 6. Now the circuit becomes 6 and 9. Okay, this one, this is 3 and 3 6 and 9, then it is 6 and 12, then this is 6. Is it? आप क्या करेंगे? क्या करेंगे? Is again convert this into the current source. When you convert this into the current source, see, up now, this is positive, so this is up and this is 6. Then again current and this 6 will be this current 9/6. This one 12/6. देखो इसको change the current source. Now this resistance is this is how much? 1. This is 12/6. This is 2 ampere. Now do you see the advantage? 6 and 6. All three are in parallel. 1.5 is upward direction,
Madam, your voice is
2 ampere
breaking.
is up direction. What is breaking? This must be some network issue.
On the screen is also locked.
Is it clear now? I'll open this window and let me try. Voice is breaking. That's why I wanted this college network now. Is it better now?
Yes, ma'am.
थोड़ा better है चलो. So this can be converted into a current voltage source. This can be converted into a voltage source this way. Then advantage is this 3 and 3 can be taken together. So it becomes 6. So this is 9, this is 6, this is 6 and 12. Now the advantage, if you convert this into the current source, this becomes 9 by 6 and 6. And this becomes 12 by 6 current and 6. Now the advantage of this numerical is 6, 6 and 6. All are in parallel. 1.5 and 2. See, this is up and this is up. So this is 1.5 and 2. This 1.5 and 2 can be added. Is it? This 1.5 and 2 can be added. I'll go up now. So this can be this 1.5 and 2 both are in the same direction. So this becomes 3.5. Up direction 3.5. What about the resistance? 6, 6 and 6. And this can be taken as 6, 6 and 6 in parallel. How much is the resistance? 3 similar resistances R and R are connected in parallel. What is the effective resistance? R by 3. 4 resistances in parallel. What is the effective resistance? R by 4. So 6, 6, 6 and 6. So it is 2. Now can you further convert this into, हमको क्या करना है? Using the source conversion, reduce the circuit shown in the figure into single current source in parallel with single resistance. Is the conversion fine? Is it the answer? 3.5 ohm, 3.5 ampere current and ohm resistance. So this is one way to simplify the circuit. Let us take another numerical now. So erase anything. So is the numerical number 1 clear? Similar way we can go for numerical number 2. थोड़ा numerical number second numerical को सोचो. Using source conversion, find the current I. Please draw second circuit in your notebook. Second circuit in the notebook. Can we find the current I? Where is the current I? This is a current I. This is a current I. So when you have to find this, you will not touch this branch. इसको touch नहीं करना है. So what can you do? Can you convert this into a voltage source? Yes. So this becomes, is it this voltage source? You can put resistance anywhere before or after. This is 3 into 6, 18, and this is 6. Is it this conversion? This 3 I will keep as it is. I'm not going to change it because this current we have to find out. Then this is 2 and 10. Can we keep this 2 and 10 also this way? 2 and 10. That is the same way. Can we further make it? This 3 I will keep out because we want to find current here. इसको 3 को मैं अलग रख देती हूँ. Then can we convert this 18 and 6 into current source again? Or keep it in as it is, don't convert if you are not confident, because we further have to convert. You can keep it as it is. Again we are going to get the same thing. अभी हम इसको पहले कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं और इसको कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. Then it is 2 and this is 5. इसको ऐसे ही रख लो और इसको कन्वर्ट कर लो. This is 5 ampere and 2. This is 5 ampere and 2. The advantage is 6 and 2 will come in parallel and 3 and 5 will be added. Is it? इसको जब हमने current source में convert किया, when you convert this into a current source, you get a current source of 5 and you get the resistance 2. So these 6 and 2 will be together in parallel. 5 and 3 can be added. So this becomes 7 and 6 and 2 in parallel. 6 and 2 in parallel, it becomes 6 into 2 upon 8. This is 12 upon 8 and this is 1.5. And this one is 3. Is it? You can further convert this into a voltage source. When you further convert this into the voltage source, it becomes this one. ये वाला. So 1.5 into 7, this becomes 10.5 and this is 1.5 and this is 3. This is 3. अभी ये एक single loop है and you can find this current I. So please see the steps. I'm converting this into a current source. So when you convert this into the current source, this circuit becomes this one. Advantage is इसका जो current source है, this current source and this current source is in parallel. This resistance and this resistance is in parallel, and in parallel resistances can be added. Resistances can be added. So this is one way. See this one now. अभी थर्ड वाला सर्किट ड्रॉ करो अपने नोटबुक में. प्लीज ड्रॉ थर्ड सर्किट इन द नोटबुक so that I can quickly move to next topic. Please draw a third circuit, and using source conversion, reduce the circuit into single current source in parallel with single resistor. देखो current source में करना है. So from where to start the numerical? You will start the numerical wherever possibility is there. Where possibility is there? See where possibility is there. We are supposed to do third one. Let us do this third numerical. ये करना है ना. अच्छा ये तो नेक्स्ट हो गया. हाँ इसको करना है. Using source conversion, reduce the circuit into single current source in parallel with single resistance. In between, I'm finding some problem of erasing the circuit. Please look at the third one. Third one is drawn. So, this one. Third one we want to do. Can you find using source conversion, reduce the circuit into single current source in parallel with single resistance? अभी क्या करेंगे? कहाँ से start करना है? Where you find current source is in parallel or voltage source is in series? Can you convert this 3 and 3 into voltage source? Yes. First conversion will be positive polarity is towards the arrow. So this 3 and 3 will be 9, and this resistance is also in series. This way also you can put. So this combination can be written as 9 into 3. Okay. Then this 3. This 3. Then this is, can you convert this also simultaneously? Yes. Can we convert? This will be 12. This will be 6 and 2, 12. And this will be 6, and you can put this 12, is it? This is 6 ohm resistance, and this is 6 into 2, 12. So this conversion can be shown here. Then this is 6 as it is, and this is the point A and B. Can you further reduce it? इसको हमें सिंगल करंट सोर्स में करना है. So this 9 and this is 6. This is similar numerical as we have done. This is like first one only. 9 and 6 can be converted into current source. So this will become this way. है ना? 3 and 3, 6. 9 and 6 means this is 9 upon 6. Then this is converted into current source. This is converted into current source. So this is 2. Then this is 6, and this is 6. This is exactly numerical number 1 now. है ना? This is 2. This is 1.5. This is 6, 6 and 6. So this is just indirect way to give numerical 1. अभी इसको देखो. Using source conversion, reduce the circuit into single current source in parallel with the. इसको कर सकते हो single में? I think it is very simple. इसको करो current source में, इसको करो current source में. So it will be like this. First one and the second one. अभी देखो. अच्छा, एक change है इसमें. इसका arrow तो positive है upward, and this arrow will be downward. है ना? This is, no, both are upward, same, correct. So this will be 10 upon 5, 2. This is 8 upon 4, 2. This is 5, and this is 4. So 2 and 2 can be added as 5. This is 2 and 2. This is 2, no? This is 2, now ये 5 है. 5 and 4 in parallel. What is resistance 5 in parallel with 4? And this is the, ठीक है ना? So this way you have to continue. See second numerical. जल्दी से second numerical देखो. Using source conversion, find the current through 10 ohm resistance. Can we find the resistance through 10 ohm resistance? find the current through 10 ohm resistance. Where is 10 ohm resistance? Here. बस इसको कर सकते हैं. अच्छा, this is another different type of numerical. This will remain 10. This will remain as it is. This 3 I will keep as it is. This 5 I will keep as it is. हम इनको combine कर लेते हैं पहले. These resistance, these voltages are like this. Is it like this? देखो, negative, positive, positive, negative. I have this is 10, this is 30, and this is 1. ऐसे कर सकते हैं इसको connect. See, this is 10, positive is connected to positive. So positive is connected to positive. If I define this point X and this point Y, okay, X to Y. So this is X and this is Y. So this is X. Now see, X to Y जाते हैं. If you go X to Y, what is this voltage X to Y? Plus 10, है ना? X to Y is plus 10. And what about here X to Y? What is here X to Y? X to Y. So do you find this is plus 10 and this is X to Y is minus 30? So plus 10 and minus 30. Plus 10 and minus 30.
20.
Minus 20.
Minus 20.
है ना? Minus 20. I can write minus 20 this way. इसको down कर लेते हैं. ना, this is fall. Minus 20 is a fall. So this is minus 20 and this is this is 1. Is it X to Y? So I can define X minus 1. So what diagram it becomes? This is X, no? And this is Y. X to Y is plus, minus, and this is 1. Is it X to Y? Just please check if this diagram is clear. This is 10. This is 10. We will keep it as it is. This is 3. This is 5. I am keeping as it is because I want to add these two. I want to take X to Y. So X to Y, this is plus 10, and X to Y, this is minus 30. So plus 10 minus 30 is minus 20. Minus 20 means this is positive and this is negative. Now with this current we have to find out. हमें ये current find out करनी है. Rest of the things we can convert. So we can have this as 10. We can have this as 10 as it is. Not, we are not going to change. This is 3 and this is 5, and we are going to convert this into a current source of this one. है ना? Upward positive 20 upon 1. This is 20, right? And this will be 1. Okay, this is 1. Now advantage is this 5 and 1 can be taken together. So the diagram becomes, this is 10, this is 10, this is 3, and this is a current source of 20 which we got after replacement, and this is 5 and 1 in parallel. 5 and 1 in parallel is 5 upon 6, R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Further, 10, this is 10, this is 3. Now what I am going to do, I am going to convert this into a voltage source. 20 and 5 by 6 will be the voltage at direction SA, and upward, arrow is upward. So this is 20 into 5 by 6, and the resistance 5 by 6. है ना. This 5/6 will remain as it is and 20 into 5/6. 20 into 5/6 you will keep as it is. This 3 and 5/6 you can combine. So what your diagram becomes? What the diagram becomes? Please redraw. एक बार फिर से diagram draw करो. So when we redraw this diagram, this is 10, this is 10, because this 10 you cannot lose. You have to find current here. Then we can have, this is 100/6, and 3 and 5/6 is in series, no? 3 and 5/6. So this is 3 plus 5/6. 3 plus 5/6 is 23/6. Okay. Now, can you further change it? इसको तो हम change नहीं कर सकते because this resistance you cannot lose. So this will remain as it is 10. This will remain as it is 10, and we can further convert this into a 23/6 and convert again this into a current source. What is this current source? This current source is 100/6 divided by 23/6. Is it? What about the current source here? 100/6 upon 23/6. This current you have to find out. और क्या आगे क्या करेंगे? अभी इसको करना है फिर से. So what is the next step? Next step is, फिर से करेंगे. This 10 we will keep as it is, where we want to find the current. Both currents can be added, and resistance यहाँ पे रखेंगे 23/6 as it is, and both the currents can be added. This current is 10 plus 100/23. And this is 100/23. Now both currents are added. Now this resistance you have to maintain. इसको हमें touch नहीं करना है. Then what you will be doing? This is it is, and you can further convert this into a voltage source. We can have the further conversion, and this will be the conversion. This is 23/6, and this voltage कितना होगा? इस resistance को इससे multiply करना है. 230, 430. This is 23/6 into 230 plus 100, 330, 330/23. So 23 and 23 cancels, and you can find. Then you have a single loop. You can find this current. Right? Current की direction क्या है? Downward है ना? So we will take the arrow in downward direction. Is it? Then you can find this current. I is equal to voltage, which is 330/6, and divided by resistance, which is 10 plus 23/6. So this way we go for conversion. You can have the look on this numerical given. This is our third numerical, no? Haan. If you have a fresh start, this is this numerical. अभी मैं सब erase करती हूँ, and you just think if you can do your own, you can put the steps. ये था numerical. This one. This was a numerical. Can you again start fresh? Start this numerical. थोड़े से steps सोचो. सबसे पहले इसमें करना है, क्योंकि हमको देखना है कि We have to see ये these two sources are together. सबसे पहले इसको add करो, add or subtract whatever it is. Then convert this into the current source. Then this resistance will come in parallel. This resistance and this resistance you can combine. Again you convert this into the current source. The advantage is इसको ऐसे ही source conversion करते जाओ, voltage से current, current से voltage, till you get a single loop. Think about this one. Find the current in 8 ohm resistance. यहाँ पे निकालना है current. This current you have to find out. Look at this diagram and
Firstly, 18 divided by 6.
yes,
We can make
first we will see the possibility. The only possibility is first you convert this one. इसको ले लो. The advantage is when you take these two will come in parallel. So you get a single current source and the parallel resistance of 3. फिर उसको voltage source में करोगे तो resistance series में आएगा. Then 6 can be taken in series. So again this add into current source. So फिर से जब current source में करोगे तो that current and this current will be added together. फिर उसको voltage source में करना. So this keep on converting voltage to current and vice versa. So this was about conversion of source conversion of voltage to current or current to voltage. So if you solve these numericals, I have done these numericals in short, but if you go in detail, so we are expecting 10 marks question from source conversion. At least 5 marks का तो numerical आता ही है source conversion से. Okay, then there is another technique which we call as, sometimes I find this system just stuck somewhere. एक minute, huh? This one. This is something which is called as पहले अभी क्या किया था source transformation. Now we are going to do which is called as star delta transformation. Where is the pen? Star delta transformation. What is the meaning of this star delta transformation? Star is something called like this. If there are three resistances which are connected in this configuration. This I call as star configuration. Star matlab it has a common point. I'll call it A and say this is A, this is B and this is C. I call it as a star. And we want to convert this into delta. What is called as delta? Delta matlab एक triangle बना देते हैं ना. Delta is this one. Star is this one. So I want to convert this into a delta. This I call as, this is A, this is B and this is C. This I call as delta. So first you tell me, is it clear what is called as star and what is called as delta? There are certain applications where you will find that we need to convert star to delta or delta to star. Okay, this branch is called as OA, this is OB and this is OC. And this is AB, BC and CA. Okay, so whenever I name this star, I will be naming it as with a common point O, and branches are OA, OB, OC. So when I say you convert this star to delta, so whenever you wish to convert star to delta, मतलब इसमें से एक कॉमन वाला चला जाएगा, है ना. कॉमन इज OA, OB, OC. इसमें कॉमन क्या है? O. So what are its delta branches? Delta branches are O निकाल दो. and cyclic बना दो, make it cyclic. AB, BC and CA, is it? AB, BC and CA. So if you have any common point, let us call it star. And if you have this cyclic AB, BC and CA, I call it as delta. If you have a delta and you want to write its star branches, create a point in between and then it becomes O. So what are the star branches? This is a delta branch. What are the star branches? Make a common point, O. So what are the branches? OA, OC, OB and OC. So is it clear? If you have these star branches name, you can write the name of the delta branches. Or if you have the name of delta branches, you can make the branches of star. Okay, so this is, we call it star and delta. See? इरेज करें पहले, ब्रेक का भी टाइम हो गया. So I'll give you 15 minutes break in between. You can wash your eyes, you can have water, and just keep in your mind that what is called as star and what is called as delta. This type of diagram is called as star and this type of diagram is called as delta. This type of diagram is called as delta and this type of diagram is called as star. Then I will tell you how to convert delta to star. And this is a diagram which says we can convert star
लोफर
to
घेतो
delta.
का नाही तर काय लोफरचे
बघ तुला जे बेटर वाटेल ते सांग.
This is when we convert.
मम्मीने तुला कॅज्युअल शूज घ्यायला सांगितलं होतं, एक तर लोफर्स घेतो का नाही तर अरे पण ते कोण
Please,
जीन्स घालतो काय
put off-
घालतो जीन्स घालतो
Please,
जीन्स लोफर कुठली आपल्याकडे
student,
हे खालचे
please
घालतो जीन्सवर पण
हा हे
put off your audio.
हा मग तू घातला तू पण जीन्सवर घातलेला आहे ना लोफर तशात.
Please put off your audio. Somebody's audio got on. Okay, I'll give you the break. We'll meet after the break. So this is a diagram which is for star to delta, and this is a diagram for delta to star. Okay, so in the next class, I will show you a little derivation, how we convert delta to star or star to delta. Then we will go for some numerical. Please have the break for 15 minutes. You can leave the class, but I will remain login. Okay, I will